Hey guys, Bix100 here with another pre. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Bix100 here, back with another programming resource video, and today I'm going to be showing you Materialize. Materialize is kind of like a cross between Material Design, which I showed in a previous video, and W3 Schools, which I showed in a previous video, because it has some resources for you to use, and code examples and tutorials, but since it has both of those, it's like the cross between Material Design and W3 Schools. So as you can see here, there's all kinds of things that you can use. It provides their own CSS style sheets, and has a bunch of options for different things you can find, like a collapsible. It shows you how to make something like this, or a modal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing modal or not. I always called this a lightbox, but I've been seeing modal more. Here's a carousel, which should mean it's slides, but I don't see anything here that would slide, so maybe it's just not loading for me. Drop down box, 1 2 3 4 5, there you go. Tabs, so there's all kinds of different options for it, and it shows you, like, you can see here there's 5 tabs that are normal, and then there's a disabled tab. So yeah, there's all kinds of different things that Materialize shows. What did I just go to? Okay, I'm not entirely sure what this is. I just clicked on something. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. All the links are down in the description. Till next time, bye.